The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding.
Hi, I'm EmRatThich. Su Xin has an amazing forehand. Today, let's learn a lesson with Coach Su Xin, translated and commented by myself. Receive a short ball on the forehand side is not easy. This tutorial has two parts. Part 1.
Let's go one by one. Yes. For example, when the opponent serves short to my forehand with no spin, or with a slight side spin topspin, I struggle to keep it low, often lifting it too high. Or if I try to flick long, I often hit it out.
Is the serve from a left-hander or a right-hander? Mostly from a right-hander. So, is this the right spot? Okay. Yes, serve it like this. Your serve is a bit high. I might be able to attack it. That makes for good entertainment. Do you feel like you can't keep it short? Or you lift it too high? I can't keep it short. That means the opponent is serving with side spin. They are serving with side spin. And if it's low, it's hard for you to flick. If it's low, I don't dare to flick. Or just go straight into the net. It means I contacted too low. So, you want to solve the problem of keeping it short, or limiting the opponent's attack. So, that means keeping it short, or flicking long. Okay, try keeping it short first. What's the problem here? It's about the serve technique. In matches, the situation might be different. Sometimes, right, there could be long serves as well. So, I think, if I serve like this, does it look similar to a right-handed serve? And this part here, yes, it's hard to control. You need to read the opponent's contact. How do you read the opponent's contact? If they spin it. Right, if a right-hander serves and rotates their waist. So, first, you have to judge it. Can you read that feeling? I think I can judge it, but when I try to keep it short, I feel like I still can't control it. Always feels off. Or sometimes, I hesitate on how to handle it. Or I want to push aggressively. I hesitate to flick. Because it directly impacts the ball. First, focus on keeping it short. Right. Okay, I see now. Let me receive another one, again, and I'll get it. You're still half a step off. When you push, look at the ball. This ball here. You're handling it like this. Your legs aren't following through. The best way to push is to keep the ball in front of your body. Keep the ball in front of your body. If you push the ball here, it won't be stable. So you need to move over. Look at me. Right now, I'm in front of the camera. I need to push here. But I need to push here. I can't stretch my hand out. If I extend my hand, the shorter the hand movement, the better the control. Move your legs over. Move a bit further. I'm serving. Now adjust your position. Actually, it's just about the right method. Yes, you clearly took 2 small steps, right? 2 steps. Which feels easier, taking 1 step or just reaching out your hand. Because footwork in table tennis is very important. If you just take 1 big step, you won't be stable. But this way, you are stable. If I serve to the middle, you'll feel more comfortable placing the ball, right? Because you barely have to move. It's already within your reach. But if it's a wide angle, placing the ball short is harder. That's because you need to move over. You're 1 step short. Look, if I can also place it back, it's just that 1 missing step. Your racket angle is correct now. In a match, you might feel distracted. But first, it's a judgment problem. If you struggle to track a long ball, that's because table tennis involves tactical control. There are strategic constraints, but if you can judge correctly, if you know this spot, you won't make a mistake here. Then you can think about the next shot. But if you can't even judge this position, or if your technique isn't correct, right, exactly. Sometimes when I place the ball, it still feels, at least when I place the ball over, it doesn't seem to have much spin, right? You want to add spin, but if the ball is slightly high, and it has no spin, The opponent might attack my backhand and I won't be ready. For example, if I go forward and then return, I might be too late. You're worried about placing the ball too high. Your center of gravity shifts backward. Your instinct is to move back. Stay forward. I wouldn't give you a high ball and stay at the front. Right. But once you practice enough, you'll know. If you can place 80% of the balls low, your center of gravity won't shift back. Maybe before, I used to extend my arm too much. I realized that myself. I was thinking about returning right after placing the ball. So I reached out instead of moving properly. Then I tried to return quickly. Another thing to remember. Your racket also helps you. You like outer layer carbon blades. Outer carbon blades are more direct, but they have less control. Inner layer carbon blades have better control. But the quality of shots isn't as high. So if you use an all-wood blade, it's a completely different feeling. Oh, look at this. Shot you couldn't quite reach it. You need to lower your center of gravity forward. Do you need to lean your body down more? Of course. You have to lean. What options does he have for this shot? Can he go for a flick kill? Probably not, right? Well, in theory, yes. There's another situation. If you serve a pure short ball, then there's no hesitation. But if you serve to the middle, or just long, I might hesitate between flicking and pushing. That's all about judgment. You need to read where the first and second bounce will land. If the second bounce is here, it's more likely to be short. If the first bounce lands here, then you can be sure it won't go long. But if the first bounce is here, then it might go long. Exactly. So you have to focus and need to watch and decide. That wasn't bad. Why does it look different on camera? Maybe it's more noticeable with your left hand. For example, if he serves straight, I might only see it clearly at the last moment. Why don't you go serve a couple for him? Maybe I'm judging a bit late. There's not enough reaction time. Are you holding the ball with your left hand directly? Your hand movement. Oh, I see. Right, look, right, you didn't get into position again. That's your own issue. Yeah, it's a footwork problem. I served too deep. Sorry, I made it tough for you. If I serve here, is it easier to push short? You can still push well here. Because it's within your body space. The worst way is to take it from here. Yes. That happened because I served too long. Your short push was fine. Any issues with it?
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.